I carry the concrete of memory, woven in the songs of my grandmothers, echoing the rustle of banana leaves, whispered by the red earth of Uganda. I carry the silence between drum beats, the pause before rain falls, a listening that honors what grows unseen, the digging of soil, the courage of waste transformed, the breath of forests still dreaming. I offer the tenderness of tending to the land, to people, to stories forgotten, with the hands that heal and words that gather. I walk gently where ancestors danced, planting hope where concrete chokes the roots. Through this fellowship, I come not to conquer, but to remember, to serve what is sacred in both human and more than human kin.